Yeah, and the big issue to keep in mind too is this has the potential for power outages, right?
Yes.
Anytime you get the strong wind. So emergency management offices are urging everybody be proactive with this if it comes. So Chris Costa is joining us from Tanglewood now. What should we do to prepare right now, Chris?
Well, Russ, one of those simple tips is just make sure that your yard is clean. So we're all guilty of maybe leaving some like outdoor furniture or perhaps our Christmas decorations up a little bit too long. But emergency officials are saying that those could actually become dangerous if the winds end up being as strong as we're expecting, because those items could blow into your house. They're also recommending that people download emergency alerts on their cell phones. Both Android and iPhone can send you severe weather alerts. On iPhone, click on Settings, then Notifications, then scroll to the bottom and make sure Government Alerts are turned on. When severe weather is near, your phone will vibrate and play an emergency tone based on your location. On Android, you can also customize these settings, usually by searching for Alerts in the settings area on your phone. It may look a little different depending on which Android-based phone you have, but generally, search for Alerts, Emergency, or Cell Broadcasting. From there, you can choose which alerts you want on or off. You can also get hyper-local weather alerts on the KHOU app. No matter whether you use iPhone or Android, the process is the same. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner, then tap Notifications and find Severe Weather Alerts. Make sure they're turned on, and you can pick how many alerts you get. If you want more, tap the option with statements and advisories. If you want fewer, tap the option with warnings only. Harris County's Deputy Emergency Management Coordinator says it's critical to be prepared for this storm.
Wireless emergency alerts are very important because they can find you where you are based on your geography, and we can get you life-saving information no matter where you are, and they're push alerts, so you didn't have to sign up for them.
Now keep in mind, our meteorologists have been saying this storm is supposed to begin on Friday night. So you've got to have those electronics charged and ready to go. Maybe an extra battery pack might be good to bring along. Russ and Reka.